Hello, everybody. So today I am going to show you how to download your student aid report from the FAFSA website. You usually will need to do this if you need to provide proof that you've completed your financial aid, either to us, the school, a scholarship organization, or maybe even a college. It just kind of depends, but we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already logged into the account. This is obviously not my account. It is a demo account where we have a Mr. Larry, demo last name, going to show us how to download his student aid report. And as we can see on this current application status, he's probably making a correction. We don't need to worry about that part right now. Right now, we're just going to worry about the student aid report, which is essentially a summary of the application that you filled out and the results. So right underneath that, we have a view or print your student aid report option along with other options, and we can cover this another time so that if you have any questions about any of those other options, we can definitely address them. All right, so it'll load up this sort of long file. It's basically, again, all of the questions that you answered, all 108 of them, or 6, I can't count. Okay. And after we scroll all the way to the bottom, we will see this option to view it as a PDF or to print this page. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select print this page, and we don't need it to be connected to any printer because what we're doing is we're saving an electronic version. We're not actually printing out a copy. Okay, you're going to click Save as PDF right here where we have the destination. And then we're going to click Save. You can decide where you would like to save your document. I'm just going to go ahead and save it in my documents. And I already have one that I labeled SAR Larry. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to replace it. Yes, I want to do that. Okay. And looks like we are ready to go. So we're pretending that maybe I asked you to send me a copy of your student aid report for scholarship purposes. So you go to your email and you type in my email, you just put in FAFSA proof, and then we're going to go on that little paperclip, find the student aid report and add it to that email, and then we'd be ready to send. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or drop by Cafe College. All right.